everybody, this is Ashley with a video about First LEGO League Challenge, where I will be talking about some basic information for coaches and mentors preparing for the season. One of the most important aspects of First, especially FLL, is the ability for students to learn and grow in their understanding. If they do not understand something, to learn for themselves, and to grow in a community based on discovering new things. Because of this, it is important for students to do the work for competition, not the mentors. I understand that finding the balance between guiding and doing can be difficult, especially for those who have never been in that position in the past. But there are many tricks to leading without taking away the experience if students are struggling. The first is to simply ask questions and wait for the students to answer them. This can get them thinking and forming new ideas without saying, "This is what you should do." If this still doesn't work, something that I remember my mentors doing on my team was to direct us to real-world examples to show us what's possible. This is especially helpful when building the robot or attachments and don't know how to get around a specific issue. Coaches and mentors should understand they are there to support the students by doing things such as listening to their ideas or providing them honest feedback, giving constructive criticism on the students, or helping them find specific resources if they do not understand the answer to the problem. The final thing that I want to talk about is to learn how to just have a good time with it and not stress out. First, I prefer a team who is struggling but having fun, rather than a team who is stressed out about winning everything. Learn that it's okay to not come in first place. It gives you areas to improve upon for the next season, and that is what the students should be getting out of their experience in the program. I hope that this video has been helpful to you in learning how to be a good coach or mentor to a First LEGO League Challenge team. If you have any questions or if I missed anything that you think I should have included in this video, please leave them in the comments down below. It would be greatly appreciated. Also, if you'd like to support this channel and see more content about First Robotics, please subscribe, leave a like, and ring the bell, because it really helps me see how I'm doing. Finally, I want to see who I'm reaching with these videos. So if you're with a team and have the ability, please leave the team name, number, and general location in the comments so I can see. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!